All right, hello. This is my presentation on matter and energy and common misconceptions regarding that. The common misconception is that there is no relationship between energy and matter, and this is primarily an elementary misconception in science. Some of my theories on why this might be a misconception in science is that the idea of matter is very new to elementary students. They learn that it's what all stuff is made of, and I think they learn about energy separately, so maybe that there's just no connection for them that's being made, so they view it separately. And the teacher might not make those connections for the students. So let's break it down, the science behind it. Matter, as we know, is the stuff that all things are made of. It has mass and it takes up space, whereas energy is a property of matter a property that matter possesses. There's two types of energy: potential energy, which is like stored energy, and kinetic energy, which is matter in motion or matter changing forms. And we see a very good example of that in my one demonstration. Energy causes matter to change. This is the relationship aspect between the two. Energy can also cause matter to move or change forms. And we're going to see that in our first demonstration here. I actually chose to do a time lapse of a solid, which is ice, H2O, made of H2O molecules. Um, I'm adding heat, which is thermal energy, to the ice cubes, the solid ice cubes, which changes it to gas, and I continue leaving the hot burner on. I'm using that thermal energy to change the water actually into steam or gas. And you can see my demonstration here. So now it's in liquid form, and it really quickly turns into gas, as you can see, as it's boiling. And one more demonstration of something. I got this as a toy when I was young, but it's a Newton's cradle. And this Newton's cradle is matter. It's made of things. It has potential energy, especially when I here. I'm sorry, this one kind of has a little bit of sound. And when I release that potential energy, it becomes kinetic energy and causes the other matter to move. And those are just two very simple, I'll finish it, two very simple demonstrations of how matter and energy are actually related. And here are the sources I used. Again, they're primarily children's websites so I could understand and connect to elementary students. Thank you.